ways when it comes to green financing. I think first thing is on disclosure and transparency. So that's really up to the stock exchange, up to the Bank of Thailand, to whether ask for mandatory disclosure in terms of climate risk. Some of the countries in ASEAN have mandatory requests. In Thailand, we don't have. So it's really just, not obligatory for you to do that. I think that's the first thing when it comes to financing, because you need reliable data to do that. Yeah. The second thing is on the subsidies or the incentive for investment, of course, in terms of tax schemes and things like that, to make sure that we reach that target together within Thailand and ASEAN. I looked up the required investment that ASEAN needs in terms of dollars in order to meet our target in 2030, and that's $4 trillion US accumulative, according to the Boston Consulting Group. Whether it's infrastructure, whether it's low carbon agriculture, whether it's electrification of transportation, decarbonization of energy. So the total, we need $4 trillion altogether. So that's really up to Board of Investment of this region to make it worthwhile in terms of investment, in terms of return of investment. Taxonomy, in terms of tax, I think Singapore is the only country in ASEAN, $4 per ton of carbon release. The remaining countries in ASEAN, we still don't have that, as I understand. In Thailand, we're thinking about that. And then it becomes the issue of equality now, who gets taxed and who doesn't get taxed. And just transition, just like how you were talking about it. Water tax to the farmers or to golf courses, for example. That's another thing that we definitely need to design the ecosystem to make these kind of things work. So disclosure, transparency, the appetite to invest, and also tax. I think these are a couple of things that can help speed up the transition going forward. So for my case, during the election, these are the three things that I promised the voters. Phasing out coal in 12 years, increase renewables 2 times from 17% to 35%, net metering, and smart grid. So in a nutshell of what I promised, the philosophy behind this is that reducing emission must equal economic empowerment. Reducing emission must equal to economic empowerment. It's democratizing energy. So smart grid and net metering will allow everybody to have access to solar cell energy and be able to sell it back to the government, rather than leaving it to the top 1% of people who have access to solar energy permit, or to hydropower, or to biogas or biomass energy. I mean, you gotta be really, really rich. You gotta really be the elite to have this kind of transitions, or have this kind of supply process. But I wanted to make sure that everybody gets an equal chance, and that's how you speed up the transition. So I answer my own question and combine it with this question.
Very good.